There's a time for us to let go. There's a time for holding on. A time to speak, a time to listen. There's a time for us to grow. There's a time for laying low down. There's a time for getting high. A time for peace, a time for fighting. A time to live, a time to die.
Wave to the man.
They'll be saying, okay, who's underneath of that net?
is real. Fatal attraction is holding me fast. How can I escape its irresistible grasp? Can't keep my eyes from the circling sky. Tongue-tied and twisted, just an earthbound misfit.
In recognition that Jeff, in front of witnesses, in the presence, drank an authentic sourdough cocktail, thereby following the wayward, even staggering footsteps of Captain Riverwet Rat, I will prove to be a person capable of almost anything. Sound like you, Jeff? We're on the right track? Okay. Here's go. You read this, you understand that? Okay. You can drink it fast, you can drink it slow, but the lips have got to touch the toe. There you go, Jeff. Cheers. Wasn't so bad, was it? I'll take that from you there, that's fine. Thank you, Jeff. I won't give you the squeezies because it's pretty salty, the first one.
Good job, Jeff.
You understand that?
We're good, we're good.
Drink it fast, drink it slow, lips have got to touch the toe.
Lips, I gotta touch the toe.
That's what they say. Very nice there, perfect.
Whoa!
I'll take that from you, thanks. Hey, Clint, welcome to the club.
Thank you very much, sweetheart.
Proud to have you.
smoke in a tree. The wind rose up, set him down on his knee. A wave came crashing like a fist of a jaw, delivering him wings high to get in now. Arms wide open with the sea as it's flowing. Oh, oh, oh. Don't wanna wait till tomorrow. Why put it off another day? One by one, little problems build up and stand in our way. One step ahead, one step behind it. Now you gotta run to get even. Make future plans, I'd never know yesterday. Hey, come on, turn this thing around right now. Hey, so tomorrow, right now, come on, it's everything. Right now, take your magic moment, do it right here and now. It means everything. Miss a beat, you lose a rhythm, and nothing falls into place. Now, only missed by a fraction. Slipped a little on your pace. The more things you get, the more you want. Just trading one for the other. Working so hard to make it easy. Wow, got to turn. Come on, turn this thing around right now. Hey, it's your tomorrow. Right now, come on, it's everything. Right now, it's that magic moment. Do it right here and now. It means everything.
Oh, gnarly. Dude, it's stuck to your brake. It's you pierced through the brake. Oh, that's bad. Yeah, you fucked him up. You get the honors. Oh, gnarly. Hey, hold it up. Hold it up. Oh, fuck you.
But
Yeah.
now you're filming.
It wasn't that easy on the road, and I never seen anything on that screen.
It is that easy. I'm gonna keep you talking so we can put this in the video.
No, turn it back off now. Go
No.
beep beep again.
No.
Make it go beep beep. You can do it. Make it.